Um, Welcome back once again. I am here with a new topic of our course cross culture communication and translation skill and lecture number 4. Here I'm going to deliver you and our today's topic is what is an email and business email and communication. Today we will discuss only about what is email and advantages of email, uses of email, and difference between email and webmail. So move to the topic. What is an email? Electronic mail. Email stands for electronic mail. It's a method of exchanging messages, mail between people using electronic devices. Basically, email is a method in which we exchange our messages, our thoughts, our videos, our photos, and etc. Each and everything, or even our files with each other and between peoples, between one people and among group, small or large, it depends. And in this email we can send each and everything. So email is electronic mail that serves as a source of communication between two or more people. Another definition is that electronic mail is a source which serves us to communicate between two or more people or even one people. So the third definition is a method of exchanging messages instantly. So look at this point, instantly. It is very important in this definition, and its purpose is to tell us that its method of exchanging messages instantly mean immediately. If we want to convey our message to someone at once at that time, and so we can use email instantly from one system to another with the help of internet. With the help of internet is also important point, because if another person we want to send our mail or anything, messages, short message immediately, but if he is not at online, so we cannot send him or her. So internet is also important for instant messages. So it is called, with the help of internet, is called email. I have choose and opt, you may say, three descriptive and well explained definitions of email for you. So you can choose of your own choice which may appropriate to you definition from different sources. So next, move to the next. So here we have uses of email. Email is there are many uses of emails and immense uses of email and benefits. There are many benefits of email, because in the past we have to send a post if we want to send our messages or things or documents or in photos. We go through the process of post and stamps, paying stamps, etc. But now only we have to subscribe internet charges, nothing else, and we can send at every time to every person in the world to whatever we want to send. So it has no limitations or extra cost spend expenditures. So email, number one use is of it is email is the way to communicate with individuals or small or large groups. I have discussed it earlier, that email is a really way to communicate with individuals or small groups or in large groups of people. In another use is that we can create and share photos, videos, links, and other files. We can schedule our meetings, we can keep up with your you can keep up with your favorite TV shows, that it reminds you that it's time for your TV show, or it's your time for your appointment, follow-up appointments, and anything which is really important for you. And in business emails, also the companies send you emails of their discounts, of their sales, or many things of the new items. They send you email, and if you are visiting them for the first time, they send you welcome emails. They will discuss them, business to business emails, this type of business to business email further in our next videos. So learn the latest news. It's also an important point. Use of email. Get coupons, discounted more from your favorite stores. Stay connected with friends and family anywhere in the world, and at every time and anywhere in the world. And next we can connect people all over the world for free or inexpensively. We can communicate with more than one people at a time, and we can interact our documentations. We can send our documents and to others, and we can leave messages at any time of day without bothering people. So these are the uses. Hopefully you get it. Next we have what are the advantages of email. There are many advantages, but I'm discussing here only the six, which are really I consider important. And because we have to put in an exam only to the point things, is advantages free delivery. It means that it doesn't need any fees or virtually fees outside the cost of internet service which we have paid. And there's no need to buy a postage just stamp to send a letter, which I discussed and I told you in the past. That was the way to send mails to someone. And next, just number two is global delivery. As its name suggests that it is global delivery, we can send each and every part of the world. So email can be sent to nearly anywhere around the world, to any country. Okay. Number third is instant delivery. And an email can be instantly sent and received by the recipient over the internet. So it's good enough. Number four is long-term storage. Emails are stored electronically, which allows for storage and archival over a long period of time. We can store, we can't lose our things stored in email. And number five is a file attachment. An email can include one or more file attachments, allowing a person to send documents, pictures, or other files with an email. Number six is environment friendly. Sending an email doesn't require paperless, cardboard, or packing tape, conserving paper resources. So this is, I think these are enough advantages. You can add more if you want to. So we have a difference between an email and webmail. First, electronic mail or email is method of exchanging messages, mail between people using electronic devices. And on the contrast, webmail or web-based email. Webmail is the abbreviation of web-based email, and email is the abbreviation of electronic mail. Webmail is an email service that can be accessed using a standard web browser. You got it? It is an email service. It's actually an email service that can be accessed using a standard web browser. And electronic mail was method of exchanging mails between people using electronic devices. They both have same function and exchanging of messages. Email client user requires software installed directly onto the computer, and webmail is free service hosted in the clouds. It doesn't require any software, but email client requires the software to install directly onto the computer. If the software is not installed, email may not be accessed. Okay. Also, many email clients cost money but are generally more secure. Webmail, on the other hand, is a free service. As I told you, hosted in the clouds. Cloud is a Google Cloud. You have listened about it. And the cloud service automatically synchronizes your email to all your devices, including your desktop, computer, tablet, and smartphones. So, and I'm going to end my lecture here. And if you have any question and any confusion regarding this lecture, you can ask me in comment, and I will explain it furthermore in my next videos. And take care, and Allah Hafiz. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you.